Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Last one to splash has to take out the trash. Wait, worms! Whoa, whoa, whoa! I wonder, why do worms come out in the rain? I'm gonna need pontoons and the excavator arm.
Pontoons, excavator arm, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Shrinking down! The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
La 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 la!
Ooh, what's that?
La 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 la!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Oh, hi! I'm Wave the Worm, and I love singing! Everybody join in! I wish I could find another worm I could sing with. Well, I'd ask you, but you're not worms. But hey, enough about me. What can I do for you?
We were wondering why worms come up from underground when it rains.
There are 3 reasons. Follow me. Worm dive!
Whoa! Yeah! It sounds like something's digging down. It's getting closer.
Don't worry, that's just the raindrops hitting the ground above and sending vibrations down. But to us worms, it sounds like a predator trying to dig down and get us. So that's one reason we go topside.
Whoa! Wave? Hello?
La 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 la.
You're right, Debo. That does look like fun.
Whee! Reason number 2. When it rains, we worms can move around on the ground much faster.
That's right, Debo. Wave did say there are 3 reasons why worms come out in the rain. What's the 3rd reason, Wave?
3rd reason? Oh, that's right. Number 3, to find a friend. I love the rain. I love the rain too. We love the rain.
Wave, you found a friend who loves to sing just like you. And now I have the answer to my question. Why do worms come out in the rain? Worms come out in the rain because the raindrop vibrations sound like predators. They can travel more quickly when it's wet and to find a special friend. Upload answer, Debo.
Goodbye, Blippi. Goodbye, Debo.
La 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 la.
Bye-bye, Wave. Thanks for all your help.